So students, once again I welcome you in our English online class on the behalf of Raj International Group of Schools. So dear students, as you all know that nowadays we are discussing tenses. Firstly, I told you about the rules of tenses. This was our first topic that we were taught. Rules of tense we discussed, in which we had a meticulous reading of 12 tenses. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 11 and then 12. Present indefinite, past indefinite, future indefinite, present continuous, past continuous, future continuous, present perfect, past perfect, future perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and then future perfect continuous. Actually, during the study of these 12 tenses, you have been told about their identification. After that, you were told about their structures. Okay, this was the first part, this was the second part. Then you were told about the uses of tenses. Uses of tenses, ये भी हमने आपको बताया. And now, after knowing about identification, structures, uses of tense, today we are going to have practice. In this video, we will discuss or we will have a conversation or practice of tenses. It means how such topic, means the topic that is related to tense can be a part of your एग्जाम. ओके, एग्जाम में ये कैसे आता है ये हम डिस्कस करेंगे, किस प्रकार से ये पूछा जाता है. आज हमारा इसके ऊपर फोकस रहेगा. ओके, बिफोर दिस वीडियो जो दो वीडियो हमने पोस्ट की थी, एक तो देखा होगा अबाउट द यूजेस ऑफ टेंसेस. सो इन बोथ टू वीडियोस हमने यूजेस टेंसेस के डीपली स्टडी किए. अब जो टॉपिक है हमारा, दैट इज गैप फिलिंग. गैप फिलिंग. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल have to learn what is gap filling, right? What is gap filling? Gap filling is like filling a gap. Okay, it means you will be given a paragraph. Let me tell you very clearly, you will be given a paragraph, and in this paragraph at least 4 gaps will be given. Gap number A, gap number B, gap number C, gap number D. 4 gaps will be given and their options will be there. This is A and here will be options 1, 2, 3 and then 4. Similarly, B, C, D. Okay, and their options will be given. Now you are supposed to fill these gaps with the help of given options. This is totally all about gap fillings. Okay, again I am repeating, you will be given a paragraph. एक पैराग्राफ आपको दिया जाएगा and in that paragraph 4 gaps will be there. Okay, and their options will be given. 4 options for each gap will be available and you are supposed to use those options in order to fill that particular gap. This is known as gap filling. I hope I am quite clear to you what I am trying to say with the help of this view. Okay, gap filling is of 3 types. Firstly, you may be asked for फिलिंग टेंसेस. गैप फिलिंग में आपको टेंसेस भरने के लिए दे सकता है. गैप फिलिंग के अंदर आपको प्रेपोजिशन फिल करने के लिए पूछा जा सकता है. और गैप फिलिंग के अंदर एक कॉमन आपकी इंग्लिश नॉलेज चेक करने के लिए भी आपको गैप फिलिंग दी जा सकती है. बट हेयर आर मेन कंसर्न इज टू डिस्कस गैप फिलिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ टेंसेस. समझ में आ गया? नाउ इन दिस वीडियो आई विल राइट 3 examples on this board one by one, and then we will fill those gaps. And if you have any problem, then your problem will be sorted out very soon with the help of coming live Google Meet class. Okay, so now I am going to write a gap on a paragraph on the board, and then we will discuss how to fill the given gaps in this paragraph with the help of rules that have been told to you by me in our previous videos. समझ में आ गया? Previous videos के अंदर जो भी मैंने आपको रूल्स बताए थे गैप फिलिंग के, वो हम डिस्कस आपने पढ़ लिए हैं. उनकी सहायता से ही अब आप इसको सोल्व कर पाएंगे. सो मैं लिख रहा हूं एक एग्जांपल, देखिए. फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ इज दिस: ए new electric ऐसा करता हूं मैं, कल लिख देता हूं आप, ठीक है ना? उसके बाद आप देखना इसको एक बार. सो स्टूडेंट्स, एज यू कैन सी आई हैव रिटन दिस पैराग्राफ ऑन द व्हाइट बोर्ड. ओके, एंड दिस इज an example of gap filling, and you let me read this in front of you so that you can understand it better way. In a better way we can say that a new electric concept car dash, this is our first blank A, and its option we will write here soon. A new electric concept car dash, okay, German auto brand Audi has released the first image of its new electric car. So यहां पर एक टेंस आया हमारे पास, has released. Has plus third form of the main verb, it means it is present perfect tense. The first image of its new electric car B के options we will write here as the urban concept. Okay, expected to be unveiled at the Frankfurt Motor Show in September, the car's cockpit dash carbon fabric. So this is our C. This is C, carbon fiber reinforced polymer which OD, और ये है हमारा D, was the product of a new design process based on the principles of minimizing weight. Okay, यहाँ पे कोमा है. The design dash to combine elements of a racing car, a fun car, and an urban car. So this is our paragraph, and we have total 5 blanks in this paragraph. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Okay, options will be given, students, in front of you, and you all are supposed to fill these blanks with the help of given options. So rules of filling such kind of gaps are very simple in my opinion. The firstly, you must come to know about the idea that is being given in that paragraph. Okay, हिंदी में सुनिए. सबसे पहले आपने उसको पढ़ना है, जो पैराग्राफ दिया गया है उसको पढ़ना है, और पैराग्राफ पढ़ने के बाद you will come to know what is the idea, what is the concept, what is the thought of that paragraph, कि मतलब उस पैराग्राफ में क्या बात बताई गई है. So 2 things will be there. Firstly, whether that paragraph contains a historical facts I mean incident of past, or it contains a present situation. ओके, दो बात वहां पे आपको पढ़ने के बाद साफ हो जाएंगी कि उसमें कोई पहले की घटना बताई गई है, कोई इंसिडेंट जो पहले हुआ हो वो बताया गया है, या उसके अंदर कोई ऐसी सिचुएशन है, कोई ऐसी प्रॉब्लम है जो nowadays it is running, it is in progress, we can say that is there. चेक करना है, राइट? सेकंड थिंग, हमने ये चेक करना है कि which tense is used in the given paragraph. ओके, पैराग्राफ के अंदर कौन सा टेंस यूज किया गया है, तो ये आपने देखना है. So in my opinion, I'm repeating this again so that me as well as you may come to know what type of tenses are used in this paragraph, okay, and what is the concept of this. A new electric concept car dash German auto brand Audi has released. Firstly, we faced here present perfect tense. The first image of its new electric car dash as the urban concept expected to be unveiled at the Frankfurt Motor Show in September. The car's cockpit dash carbon fiber reinforced polymer, which Audi dash was the product of a new design process based on the principles of minimizing weight. यहां पर ऐसा करते हैं, was की जगह पे is कर लेते हैं. ओके, is weight the design dash to combine elements of a racing car, a fun car and an urban car. ओके, अब हम लिखते हैं ऑप्शन. ए के ऑप्शंस जो है, द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज was introduced. ओके, सेकंड ऑप्शन है इसका is out. थर्ड ऑप्शन is coming on, and the fourth option is traveling on. So a new electric concept car is out, was introduced. Okay, was introduced तो किसी भी हाल में नहीं आ सकता because it's past tense and the whole concept contains present tense. So ऐसा कभी भी नहीं होगा कि one paragraph will be given and mix up of tenses will be there. No, only 1% chance is there, only 1%. Otherwise the tense will remain the same. Present, past. It is possible that present plus future can be used, but present plus past cannot be used in such kind of paragraph. So was introduced is a wrong option. Is out, just make sense. Okay, just use your own sense and make sense with the help of given paragraph. A new electric concept car is out, is coming on, and is traveling on. So these two options are not giving a proper sense. Is coming on? No. Is traveling on? No. So now our option that is left is out. So this is the correct option. A new electric concept car is out. मतलब ये आ चुकी है, ये बाहर है अब. German auto brand Audi. Audi is a brand, okay, that belongs to Germany. German auto brand Audi has released. इसने इसको रिलीज किया है. Has released the first image of its new electric car, and the options for B gap are as follows. Dubbed, D-U-B-B-E-D, dubbed as. Next option is call. Next option is named, and the next option is replaced. We have again four options: dubbed as, call, named and replaced. So Audi has released the first image of its new concept car named as the urban concept. Dubbed as cannot be used, named is our correct answer. Okay, call cannot be because it is not in appropriate form. रिप्लेस जब होता है, जब कोई और ऑप्शन होता है, किसके साथ रिप्लेस किया गया है, तब रिप्लेस वर्ड यूज करते हैं. अब यहाँ पे नेम्ड आएगा. अब आप ये मत सोचना कि पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस है नेम्ड, ऐसा नहीं है. ये एक्चुअली क्या है, परफेक्ट पार्टिसिपल है. सॉरी, परफेक्ट पार्टिसिपल कह रहा हूं. ये एक्चुअली हमारे पास जो ये नेम्ड है ना, ये है तो सेकंड फॉर्म, लेकिन ये कई बार होता है ना, जैसे कि सेकंड फॉर्म हम लगा देते हैं. आपने इंफिनिटिव्स पढ़े, नॉन फाइनाइट्स, बेयर इंफिनिटिव, टू इंफिनिटिव्स, जीरंड्स एंड देन participles, present participle, past participle and then perfect participle. So this is past participle. Okay, so this is used. So the correct form is named will be our correct answer for this one. Now C, expected to be unveiled at the Frankfurt Motor Show in September. देखो मैं एक बात बताता हूँ आपको कि सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज होती है सेंस. कई बार रूल भी फेल हो जाता है और हमें वहां पर सेंस के हिसाब से जो है काम करना पड़ता है. ओके, सो expected to be unveiled at the Frankfurt Motor Show in September. The car cockpit. Number C. Sorry, C option are as follows. Had been made of. Had been made of. Next option is have been made of. Have been made of. Next option is has been made of. Has been made of. And next option is was made of. Was made of. For C blank, I am again repeating, expected to be unveiled at the Frankfurt Motor Show in September. The car's cockpit, this part बनाया गया है has been, have been, had been. had been हम यूज कर ही नहीं सकते. have been जब यूज करते जब ये प्लूरल होता, और was made तो बिल्कुल ही वो है. हमारा जो एग्जैक्ट ऑप्शन है that is has been made of. This is the passive form. This is the passive form of present perfect tense. Okay, later on we will discuss about active voice and passive voice. So here the correct option is has been made of. Has been made of carbon fiber reinforced polymer. Which OD? D option. Say, says, said or told. Four options are there. Say, says, said and told. So which OD says is the product of a new design process based on the principles of minimizing weight. So जो OD कहते हैं कि ये जो प्रोडक्ट है ये न्यू डिजाइन प्रोसेस बेस्ड किसके ऊपर है, मतलब इसका जो प्रिंसिपल है वो इसके ऊपर फोकस किया गया है कि कम से कम वेट इसका हो. तो ये ओडी इस बात को कह रही है, कहती है, तो प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस हमारा आएगा सेज आएगा. से हम यूज कर नहीं सकते क्योंकि इस पे कोई रूल नहीं लग रहा. सैड और टोल्ड ये दोनों पास्ट में चले गए हैं, तो सेज इज आवर एग्जैक्ट आंसर, एग्जैक्ट ऑप्शन दैट विल बी फिल्ड है. Which OD says is the product of a new design process, right? Number E, the design dash to combine elements of a racing car, a fun car and an urban car. Its options are is intend, T-E-N-D. is intended. Tended, D-E-D. First option is intend. Second option is intended. Third option is allocate, A-L-L-O-C-A-T-E, and fourth option is none of the above. So here the design is intent, is plus intent cannot be used because this is not the correct form. After this is a passive form and it must be ed here, that it will be correct. But we have another option that contains the same, is intended. So the design is intended. This is the wrong answer. This is the correct answer. This is the design is intended to combine elements of a new racing car, a fun car, and an urban car. So this was the first example of gap filling. Please write down all these things in your favorite notebook. Then we will take the next one, students. So students, this is our second example. As you can see written in front of you on this whiteboard. Let me read this paragraph so that you can have a better understanding of the ideas that is hidden in it. An inter-school quiz competition dash in modern public school. 9 contesting teams from different schools dash to participate. Teams dash with their teachers to cheer and encourage children of all the schools dash refreshment. After the program was over, the principal dash prizes to the winners. The best participant dash a special trophy. So students, after reading this paragraph, one thing is clear, that this paragraph contains a past incident. Okay, a quiz competition took place in a school whose name is Modern Public School, and that thing is being described with the help of this paragraph. It means in this we cannot use present or future, because this is an incident of past, only past tense. Okay, past tense, we have 4 part of past tense: present, past indefinite, past perfect, past continuous, and past perfect continuous. If one more thing that I would like to tell you before to fill these blanks, this is past indefinite. For example, past indefinite is given that will contain second form of the main verb, right? Or did plus first form of the main verb. This is our past indefinite. Let me write it clearly. I did it in hurry. Past indefinite means either a second form of the main verb or did plus first form of the main verb. This is past indefinite. Active voice. This is active voice. Sometimes this sentence can be used into passive voice. Later on we will have 2 or 3 videos on active voice and passive voice. In passive voice, the same tense will be written like this: was, were plus third form of the main verb. This is the passive voice of past indefinite. Was, were plus third form of the main verb. So students, here sometimes it happens then कि हमें ना सेंटेंस को पैसिव में भी यूज करना पड़ जाता है. जैसे राम ने रावण को मारा. It is active voice. Ram kills kills. Ram is doing the action. Okay. लेकिन इसी सेंटेंस को हम ऐसे कहें कि राम ने रावण को मारा, रावण राम के द्वारा मारा गया. In active voice, the emphasis is on the action of the subject. Okay, means whatever is done by the subject, this is our main stream, this is our main focus in active voice. But in case of passive voice, action of the subject reflects upon the doer. We can say that action of the subject reflects upon the doer. That is called passive. So आप इसका ध्यान रखिएगा. So again 9 एक क्विज हुई है, पास्ट की कोई घटना है, ये आप देख भी सकते हो, इसको हम अभी करेंगे. तो नंबर ए, ऑप्शंस आर गिवन एज फॉलो. An inter-school quiz competition dash in modern public school was organized. Second option, were organized. Third option, take place. और फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज was organized. राइट. तो अब देखिए यहां पर टेक प्लेस तो किसी हाल में नहीं आ सकता, हुई, वो ऑर्गेनाइज करवाई गई है. तो ऐसे एक्शन पैसिव फॉर्म में लिखे जाते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. तो ये was ऑर्गेनाइज, यहाँ पे ईडी अगर यहाँ पे सेकंड थर्ड फॉर्म होती तो ये हमारा ऑप्शन हो जाता, लेकिन ये भी नहीं बन सकता, ये भी नहीं बन सकता. वर ऑर्गेनाइज हम यूज कर नहीं सकते क्योंकि एक क्विज है तो वो जाना चाहिए था, यहाँ पे वर देके गलती कर दी. इसका मतलब द वाज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इज आवर करेक्ट ऑप्शन. राइट. An inter-school quiz competition was organized in modern public school. Was organized इसलिए भी ठीक है क्योंकि ये बिल्कुल सही सेंस हमें दे रहा है. पैसिव वॉइस है पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस की. सेकंड ऑप्शन बी, 9 contesting teams from different schools was invited were invited or invite. Four options we have. Number 1 is was invited, second one is were invited, third one is invited, and fourth is only invite. So 9 teams are 9. 9 means plural. So this one cannot be our answer. Okay, now we have 3: were invited, invited, or invite. Invite is wrong answer because it is present indefinite tense. It is used in present indefinite. Now this is वो इनवाइट की गई है, पैसिव है ये भी, तो ये वैसे दोनों ठीक है, लेकिन जब ये पैसिव में है तो पैसिव में हमारे पास ऑप्शन क्या जाएगा, वर इनवाइटेड. एक्टिव में होता तो इनवाइटेड होता, और ये पैसिव में चला गया है तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे, वर इनवाइटेड. राइट. Teams were invited with their teachers to cheer and encourage. Okay, children of all the schools. Sorry, इसमें था ये 9 contesting teams from different schools were invited to participate. Third, ये है C. Teams dash with their teachers to cheer and encourage. Teams was accompanied, 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 were accompanied, only accompanied, accompanied, or none of the above. Now we have again 4 options, students, as you can see. And now you all are supposed to fill this. Just think over it for a few seconds. Okay, so I think you might have thought over it. So teams again plural means was accompanied, ये हमारा ऑप्शन नहीं हो सकता. ओके, नेक्स्ट accompanied भी नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि ये एक्टिव वॉइस में है ही नहीं. none of the above भी नहीं हो सकता. so our option that fits suitable in this gap is were accompanied. teams were accompanied means teams को कंपनी दी टीचर्स ने उनको एनकरेज करने के लिए और उन्हें चीयर करने के लिए. नेक्स्ट, चिल्ड्रन ऑफ ऑल द स्कूल्स डी were given had given or are given. Were given, students, are plural, children are plural. So children of all the schools of were given refreshment means party, means eatable items were given to them. Were given is our exact option. Were given refreshment after the program was over. The principal, number E, the principal gives, given or gave. This is past indefinite, very simple. The principal gave prizes to the winners. The principal gave is this is our correct option. The principal gave prizes to the winners. नीचे जगह नहीं है तो मैं यहाँ कर रहा हूं. यहाँ पे ये है हमारे पास A, B, C, D, E and then F. The best participant a special trophy. The best participant F में ऑप्शन है is given, was given, had given or none of the above. So the best participant was given a special trophy. So this is totally all about gap fillings. Okay students, now I request you to write these things in your notebook, and still if you have any doubts, all your doubts will be cleared in our next live class. Thank you, have a lovely day.